Is your apartment getting a little cramped for space? In today's episode, we're going to show you our top 10 tips to help optimize space for all your things for less than $20 per project. Here we go. Tension rods. You can use these under the sink to hold your spray bottles up and out of the way. Or you can use them in your pantry to help keep your trays, lids, and cutting boards upright and organized. Magnetic spice wall. When counter space is at a premium and cupboards are already overflowing, why not utilize your wall space? Just put up a metal sheet and mount your spices up with magnets. You can mount this either on your wall or on the inside of your cabinet doors. Magnetic strip. Use a magnetic strip on the inside of your medicine cabinet door, drawer, or on the wall to keep your bobby pins, tweezers, and nail clippers in one little area. Shoe organizer. If you have an old over-the-door shoe organizer, you can store your pantry food, canned goods, or cleaning materials here. Soda can tab hangers. A great way to reuse those soda can tabs and to increase space in your closet is by using the tabs to double up hangers. Also, if you wanted to prep an outfit for the next morning, you can combine them together and hang it up. Shower ring organizer. Organize your collection of hats, scarves, or ties with simple shower curtain rings on a hanger. S-hooks. Finally, a way to have your towels at arm's length so you don't have to step out of the shower dripping wet. The great thing about the S-hooks is that they're so versatile. You can hang just about anything with a loop or hook. Bed risers. And no, I'm not talking about people who get up nice and early. These are a great way to add some height to your bed frame so you can store bins and boxes underneath. They even come adjustable so you can choose the height that best fits you. Repurposed disinfectant container. Instead of throwing away your empty disinfectant containers, repurpose them to store your old plastic bags or doggy waste bags. Tackle box storage. Need to find a way to store and organize your household goods? These tackle box storage containers are a great way to store your batteries, nails, screws, and more. Plus, they come with removable tabs so you can get the right fit. What was your favorite tip? Comment down below and let us know. Have another suggestion for storage ideas? Share your tip down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.